Hey guys, this is Warren with KLGadgetTV and we are checking out Acer's Swift Edge 14 at Acer's booth in COMPUTEX 2025. Now what's so special about this 14-inch laptop is that it is super lightweight at just 0.99 kilograms, and despite the super lightweight, it is powered by up to an Intel Core Ultra 9 processor paired with 32 gigs of LPDDR5 memory and a terabyte of storage. That is just an insane amount of power packed into such a lightweight and slim chassis. So on the left side, we have a full-size HDMI, a USB-A port, and two USB-C Thunderbolt 4 ports. And on the right side, we have a USB-A port and a 3.5mm headphone jack. Now, there are some design improvements that I like about the Swift Edge 14 as opposed to previous Swift Edge laptops, and that is the keyboard. You can see that the keyboard now has better key travel than before, which gives it a better typing experience because most slim and lightweight laptops do not have good keyboards. They have pretty bad key travel, which makes typing experience really terrible. But this keyboard here feels really nice to type on. And this trackpad right here, even though it's not like the biggest that I've seen, but it has this nice MPU activation light right here. So whenever you turn on any AI applications like Copilot or Windows Studio effects on the webcam, this light will turn right on, which is really nice. But to be honest, this touchpad actually feels very nice to use. Now, another design that I like is this new chassis design. As you can see, Acer has done a little bit of design change to set it apart from competitors. It has this new geometry design here, with some gold wordings on its branding, which is actually really nice. So last but not least, what I want to talk about is this really nice display. And you see this word? Corning Gorilla Matte Pro. Yes guys, this is a 3K OLED display that is protected by Corning Gorilla Matte Pro, which can resist up to 95% of reflections according to Acer. So let me just try to flip the screen. So this is a 180-degree hinge. You can see that there's very minimal reflections even when light is shown on it, which is pretty cool. And yeah, this is a touch panel, which is something that we have been lacking on the previous Swift Edge series. Alright, so that's pretty much a quick first look at the Acer Swift Edge 14 laptop at Acer's COMPUTEX 2025 booth. Let me know what you guys want to know about it and what you think about it in the comments down below. And thanks for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one.